Hello grade 8. This is the first of two video recordings to help you with your SOS assessment. After we get back from the excursion, you'll be completing this decision-making matrix. It's a really good idea to have this in your mind on the day so that it can help you with making your decision about which proposal is most appropriate for development at the SPIT. Okay, first, what do? These are the criteria. Criteria just means ideas or questions that help you to compare different items. Now you can use a rating. Okay, 5 for excellent, 1 to insufficient, but we'll come back to where that may have to change a little bit. There are 3 groups of criteria. Social factors to do with people and community, economic factors to do with jobs, costs of construction and how it will help local businesses, and environmental factors to do with local ecosystems, so vegetation, soil, water, air quality, and the natural processes and relationships in the area. For each of the proposals, for example, the cruise ship terminal, you need to say how well it will meet this criterion. Criterion is singular, criteria is plural. So, for the cruise ship terminal, will it be of value to the local community in providing social connections? Will it allow people to get together, to meet up, to enjoy each other's company? Well, you need to decide, yes, excellent, it will, 5. Maybe you'll go, sort of, okay, and give it a 3. The important thing is to also put a note for a reason. So if I say, oh yeah, it's okay, I might put allows people to meet friends from cruises. And I can't type the word. Okay, so for each time you give a rating, also pop a note so that you can remind yourself why you gave it that rating. Now for most of these criteria, 5 will be excellent and 1 will be really bad. But when it comes down to this one, about the costs, will it be costly to construct and maintain? Yes, it will be very costly. That's a bad rating. So you're going to give it a 1. Even though it's using a lot of money, it's not insufficient money. It means it's a bad cost. If you're worried about that one when you come to do it, please just see Mr. O'Connell or me about it. But essentially, for economic factors on costs, the less it costs, the higher the score. Okay, once you've done this for each proposal, you're going to be adding up the score. So for example, I'm just going to put random numbers in. These mean absolutely nothing. Okay, as you can see, I'm just going across my screen. If I gave it these numbers, I'll add it up and that will give me an idea of a score. Now, just because it scores the highest doesn't mean the one that's the one that you're necessarily going to choose. Okay, remember, biggest numbers aren't always the best. You might decide that even though this one, the cruise terminal, scores most highly, it might be better on balance to have the cultural and environmental centre because in the long term, it will do more to protect the environment. And to you, that's a more important decision than being able to have cruise ships come in for people to meet. So look at the numbers when you get the score If it adds up and it goes with, yeah, I do agree that that one's the most important, excellent. If you're going, my numbers say this one's best, but I prefer this one, go back and work out your reasons why. You do not have to go with the highest scoring proposal. It's just a guideline. All right, this will be the first step in then helping you with paragraph 2, which is part of your paragraph response, which will be in the next video.